Let's do your hips. Lengthen your legs. I'm seated towards the front of my chair as well. That's why I can stretch my legs. Okay. And we're going to cross the right leg over. I'm going to give you options again here. Lower than your knee, higher than your knee is the next option. Pat is ready. Or if you can, you bend the leg. And I want you to feel it right in your hip. Yep, don't force it, Ellie. That's okay. Can you relax your shoulders? You don't need them. There we go. And you're welcome to close your eyes. Just go back to your breath. And we're going to slowly lengthen the left leg to let go the right. Bend both knees. And I want you to rotate. See, I'm using my left hand on the outside of my right knee. You can use your chair as well. Rotate your spine and your neck to look above your right shoulder. Listen to your back. Listen to your neck. And slowly come back. Let's lengthen your legs again. And we're going to switch your legs for left. And choose your option. Listen to your joints. Hip and knee. And again, just notice the difference between both legs. Relax your shoulders. Lift the heart. And breathe. Good. It was too warm at his own spot. He had to switch. Let's slowly release the leg. Same thing. We're going to look to the left. Use your right hand. Lift the heart. Drop your shoulders. And then go to the left. Try to look more above your left shoulder. And release. Good. Then we have time for one more. Let's take it. Right heel onto your chair a tiny bit. And you're going to press your heel on the floor. So I want you to feel it in your Achilles. Yes? Okay. Open your arms and cactus. That's it. And release. Let's switch your legs. Slide your left foot a tiny bit on the chair. Press your heel. Open your arms by your side. So arms down. Yeah. And then squeeze towards the back. Relax your jaw. and release. Good job. What do you think if we sing a song together? I think you all know You Are My Sunshine. This is your generation, not mine. Some of you taught me that song. I didn't know it. But we're going to move our arms. Are you ready? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Again? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna rest right here on your chair for the final relaxation. And I want you to feel the change in your body, feeling relaxed, stretched out, and happy that you came. And keep your body relaxed, same with your jaw. And stay connected with your breath. So just enjoy this moment that you have for yourself to be here and to relax with all of us. And slowly come back to the room. Tingle your toes and fingers. And just open your eyes to get them adjusted to the light. Oh, hi. Hi, sunshine. And slowly move forward. And we're going to inhale up. Exhale, palms down. Again, up and down. One more time, up. Exhale in front of your good heart. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.